Hello you guys, welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. So what we doing today? So let me show you the problem. Let me go under the car. So this is a BMW. So hopefully you can see it. So we're gonna get to the drain plug. Yeah, it's pretty tight space. Trying to get down here so you can see what's going on. So here is the cover for the oil drain plug, and let me see. As you can see, it's leaking oil. Not much, a little bit. So probably 1 drop per hour or something like that. So as you can see, it's leaking oil. As you can see over here, they have oil on here. Not that much, but it's there. So when I do an oil change on this, 2 days ago, I just find this out. I think this is my first time doing oil change this vehicle, and I think the problem we're having is when I remove the bolt, the plug is really hard. So I think they over tight it and over torquing it. So and then that's why I have a loose plug basically. So today we're trying to fix it. So what I'm going to do is I got this oversize plug. So the size for the the BMW is M12 by 1.5. This is M12.1 by 1.5. So it's the width is a little bit bigger. So what this do is this gonna go in there and create a new thread, and that's gonna seal it. So this is the cheapest option, so I'm gonna try it out and see if it works or not. If it does not work, then I have to rethread it with a bigger size. So if the plug right here is M12, if this doesn't work, I'm gonna thread it to maybe M14. So we're gonna see how it does. But right now, first thing I need to do is drain the oil, and then after I drain the oil, I'm gonna leave it there so it's really draining it. So I don't want too much oil that get involved in this process. And after that, we're gonna move on to putting this on. Okay, you guys, I finally got the plug out, and look at this. You saw this metal piece right here? Yep, the thread here is almost gone, as you can see. So I'm so glad that I can take it out. So it's doing a drain right now, so I'm just gonna leave it drain. As you can see, it's doing a drain right now. I'll just go ahead and leave it drain as much as I could, and probably leave it for like maybe in a half an hour. But man, look at that. So as you can see, this is the original plug, and the new one is right here. The new one is right here. So as you can see, old and the new. Put a top up. So as you can see, this one is a little bit bigger. This one is M12. This one is M12.1. So it's a little bit bigger. So hopefully I can get this in there and stop this leak. So we will see, but right now I just let it drain, get out all the oil as much as possible, so it's a little bit dry, so I can do this. And I'll be back. Okay, you guys, just one last look. You can see, get that. Look at that. You can see all the thread basically is just gone under the as you can see. Look at that. I'll show you a little there. So you can see the first few thread is probably gone. You can see a little flake that going across it. So basically that is just gone. So that's why when I trying to do the oil change, is keep doing the spin on me and I cannot get it out. Finally got it out with the flathead, go against it, but as you can see all the thread is gone. There you go. So hopefully the new a little bit bigger piggy tail plug, the oversize one, gonna fix this problem, or else I have to do plan B, which is get a new thread, a bigger thread for this, and get a new plug. So that's it. I'll go back. I'm still dripping right now, so I'll just wait until it finished dripping, and then I'll go ahead and clean all that up, and I will show you how to install the new one in. All right. Okay, guys. The oil is probably dripping only a little bit now, so I'll go ahead and start this operation. Unfortunately, I don't have the lift, so this jack up is not really that high, so I cannot video in there because of the space. But the method is first you have to use your hand, basically trying to get it into the groove first, and then after that you just use 17 millimeter socket, and then trying to get it in slowly, couple forward, and then one backward, couple forward, backward, until it get flush all the way in. For the instruction, they said you're supposed to pull it out and then clean all the metal shaving. But for me, I'm afraid if I took it out, it's gonna cause more damage. So I'm just gonna leave it in there, and then I'm gonna use the old oil, and I'm gonna do a fill and drain. So fill and drain probably 2 or 3 times before I put a new oil in, and then I'll see if it's I will give you guys an update if it's leaking oil or stop leaking the oil or not. So I'll go ahead and do the installation right now, and I will show you after I finish the installation. All right. Okay, you guys, I did the installation. Look, it's pretty easy. So let me see, let me show you. Pretty easy. So it's pretty easy to install. I did 2 drain already, so as you can see, I got everything installed. It looked pretty tight. Now I could tie it up, but I don't want to do over tightening it, so but I was able to tie it to 14 pounds. So I will test and see if it's leak or not. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put in the oil and see how it go, and I'll give you an update. All right. Okay, you guys. After this, I do a test drive on this for I don't know, about 10 miles. Come back, let the car sit for almost like what, 3 hours already. So I'll just jack this thing up and we're gonna go and check it out, see if the fix work or not. So let's go in. It's the big moment. See if it actually work or not. If it's not work, then we have to go plan B, but hopefully I don't have to go to plan B. Sorry about the finger. Okay, let's go. On the way down here, as you can see right here in the angle, as you can see, nice and dry. There's no leak at all. So I guess that thing, the plug, the Oversize Piggyback tail plug work. No sign of leakage, and look like it's a successful repair. So if you have the same problem I am, since then this might be your solution right here. So that's it. Look good. I'll go ahead and put back the cover, and this look like it's a successful repair. Let me get it out here. So there it is. There's the kit, and there's the old bolt. As you can see, the old plug. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of metal piece from the thread. So after we replace this, the kit comes with this. I got this for $16 from Amazon. They give you an extra rubber ring, and then 2 of them. So if you fall into the same problem I have, go ahead and look in my video description. I'll put the link on here in case if you want one. So but make sure you check, or you have to know what size is your oil plug is. So different car have different type of plug, different size, so make sure you get the right one. So like I said, mine is this one is a 12 M12 by 1.5. so I bought a M12 same size, M12.1 by 1.5, so just a little bit 0.1 bigger, and it worked out just great. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys find it useful, and so happy it does work out. All right, that's it. I'll see you guys next time. All right, bye.